our school, we just not teach the laws like as it is, but we give it in a hands-on training way, as where the student can experiment on all the laws which they are studying about, and also they do experiments and understand what is the law. So in a practical way, when we give science, it will be very easy for a kid to observe it and understand what the concepts are. If we are going to teach about an indicators, just we can go home and ask them to do an experiment on how does a turmeric works on a soap. So it will be like a hands-on practice which they can do it on their home itself, or wherever they want they can just do it. Not only in the classroom, even at home they can try. Usually we'll have a small groups and we ask them to experiment on it. So we ensure that each child gets a chance to do the experiment by themselves, so that it enhances them to learn properly. Like many various field like artificial intelligence are there now in a good form where the child can perform well. So likewise, if the child gets interested in a particular subject and then they can excel in it. So in that way, we want to enhance the scientific learning and the thirst for knowing something. More than teaching, we do it on an experimental and more activity-based learning. So we take the children to the playground to learn science also. There are a lot of science in football, kicking a ball, catching it and everything. So in that way, we will take it in an interesting manner to the children, so that it will be very easy for them. They'll not know that the concepts are reaching them. So basically, I like science very much. So I want my children and my students also to be in the same way, to learn science in an inquisitive manner, to know or they should have the thirst to know what is about what.
We can make them do things and they learn it experientially, then they'll remember it, and because when they do something, when all our sense organs, our hands, our eyes, all our multiple sense organs are involved in it, then the learning and the retention will be much better, because they've experienced it rather than they have heard it from someone. So we always try to incorporate or embed more activities. We try to teach them through activities.